Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's tutorial we're going to be showing you how to fix the error code on your Bosch dishwasher. Now the error code of today's video is the E24 error code and I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this issue in a couple of minutes. Alright, so what exactly is the E24 or what does the E24 error code simply mean? The E24 error code simply means your dishwasher isn't draining properly. You'll often see standing water at the bottom or the cycle stops midway. That's basically what the E24 does. And now, what are the common causes of these issues? What are the common causes you would face with the E24 issue? Now, the common causes are a clogged filter from food, debris, or grease, kinked or blocked drain hoses, debris in the drain pump, and if recently installed, a knockout plug left in the garbage disposal. So you have to check out for things like that. Now, what is the main fix you can try? What is the main fix you can actually try? You could start by cleaning your filter. So remove the bottom rack, twist out the cylindrical filter, rinse it thoroughly, then check the pump area, remove any cover or clear any debris from the impeller, use your gloves, and then reinstall everything securely. So you're just going to clean this up here and make sure it's all good, and then simply reinstall it. Now, if you want to perform any additional checks, you could actually check the drain hose again for any kinks or clogs, and then straighten it to ensure proper height. If it's connected to a garbage disposal, remove the knockout plug and then run the disposal to clear the shared lines. You could simply do this. And last but not least, you could actually reset and test. So in order to reset and test, unplug the dishwasher for 5 minutes to reset, then run a short cycle to test the draining. Now, if this E24 issue persists, the drain pump may actually be faulty, so contact Bosch support or a technician, and that's it. This fixes most E24 errors quickly. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.